All right, well, while we were out camping, we decided to take a drive up the road, look at the glaciers, and there was some avalanches that the snow was still there. But we stopped at this one place here. It looks like there's some beaver dams out there. And the kids, Lana and Brooke and Kelly, and the dogs, they all went down there and checked it out. I flew the drone a little bit. Then I seen a waterfall over here, over to the left. I went up there. Anyhow, there's Lana and Brooke and their dog, big, cool, neat dog. And they're down there checking out the water. Kelly and the boys are over here on this side. There they are. See them down there playing. But anyhow, you've seen this waterfall, and I flew over to it and up to the top of the waterfall. There's a lake up there. Not a real big lake, but smaller lake. Cool. But Kelly, told Kelly about it. Kelly, I want to see, so I'm making this video, kind of for Kelly. Said him and Brooke are going to hike up there. I don't know. It's quite the hike, but he's young. Now, let's go over here by the waterfall now. You can see it there. Quite the little waterfall. I don't know if these glaciers, this is July, like July 6th or, let me look at my calendar here. Yeah, it was probably about the 9th or 10th when we were up there. But still, July, all the snow. We were down beside this river where all these run into down there, camping. Nice cold water, I'll tell you. Anyhow, here's a waterfall. And I fly up it. Just kind of checking it out. Quite a ways. It'd be quite the climb, I think. Well, I suppose when I was younger. But there's nothing I really want to see up there that I can't see with the drone. Ah, maybe. Being lazy. That would be a climb, though. Okay. Yeah, with the drone, I don't see too far up there. But I was wondering where the water was coming from. You'll see here in a minute. It's cold up there, too. I don't know if I'd want to pack up there and stay overnight. But I flew up here. Wow, kind of neat up here. But then watch what opens up. Quite the runoff, really. And there it is. The lake. Probably has a name. Should look on the map, really, huh? Pretty. Look, the snow's right to the lake. And right there to the right, we see more water running in from the snow on the right. Can't see it right this second. It looks like there's a little island out there in the middle. There, I zoomed up a little too far and it switches to the other camera. Didn't mean to do that. But see on the right top, you can see that water coming in. And the snow melting. Quite a little lake. I don't know if there's any fish up there. Should have took more time and flew over the top of it and zoomed down on it. But I never. I was at the very top of the mountain with the drone. A little nervous. because this is a flat area up there. I didn't want to go over the flat and lose my reception. All right, that's about it. Talk to you later. Bye.